If A plus B is 45 degree, or 225 degree, we have 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equals 2. This is the formula, and this we can call it as conditional identity based on a condition. If A plus B is 45 or 225 only, this will work. Now let us take this A plus B is 45. Take tan on both sides. So tan A plus B is equals tan 45 degree. What is the value of tan 45 degree? 1. Here tan A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay. Because this division and equality should always balance. So now cross multiply and simplify. We have tan A plus tan B equals 1 minus tan A tan B. Transpose this one to the other side. Tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B equals 1. We need to prove this. So what we can do? We need 2 on the other side. Better if you take tan B from this, what will come? Tan A plus, from these 2 terms alone I am taking tan B. Then what will come? 1 plus tan A. Okay. Now if here also 1 plus tan A is there, means we can take that one, we will get 1 plus tan B. But 1 is not there. If you don't have 1, make 1. Add and subtract, add on both sides. So 1 plus, here also, here 1 plus 1, there 1 plus 1. Then from these 2, we can combine, we can group these 2. So from these 2 terms, what is the common thing? 1 plus tan A, we can take it out common. Then remaining, if 1 plus tan A goes from here and here, 1 will be staying. So 1 plus, and from this term, this bracket 1 plus tan A alone will goes out. Then tan B alone remaining. 1 plus tan B equals 2. 1 plus 1, that is 2. That is all. This is one identity. Similarly, we have the other identity as well. That is, if A plus B is 135 degree, 135 nothing but 90 plus 45. Same like this. Okay. Here also this 225 part we can do like the same. 225 part how we can do? This 180 plus 45. 180 plus 45. So here we can write 225 and that we can write 180 plus 45. 180 plus means third quadrant, this tan. So positive only. Everything remains same. Both are equal. That is why 45 degree or 225. Here 135 degree. That is 90 plus. 90 plus means there will be a change. Okay. Now for that we have the identity 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan B. That value equals 2. Okay. Why it is minus? Same like here, here you take tan A plus B. That tan 135 degree. Calculate. Again, after all the process, you may get 1 minus tan A, 1 minus tan B. Simply the sign will be changed. Here the signs are there, right? Those signs will be changed. Okay. The same way, we have the another identity. If A plus B is 45 degree or 225 degree, we have 1 minus cot A into 1 minus cot B equals 2. the other one, if A plus B is 135 degree, we have 1 plus cot A, 1 plus cot B equals, what you observe from this? You see, this is one category. In this, tan takes positive, in which cos takes negative, 1 minus cot A cot B. Is it or not? Okay, tan positive, cot 1 minus cot A, 1 minus cot B. Similarly, this 135 is another part. In this, tan takes negative. Tan is negative, that is 1 minus tan A, 1 minus tan B. Whereas cot will take what? Tan takes negative means cot will take, that is all. 1 plus cot A, 1 plus cot. That is all. That is how we have to relate things with each other. Again, I am summarizing this. You see, if A plus B is 45 degree or 225 degree, we have 1 plus tan and 1 plus Ta, Tb means I am mentioning tan A, tan B. Tan is positive, 1 plus tan, 1 plus tan B, that is 2. Whereas the same cot will take 1 minus cot A, 1 minus cot B equals 2. This is for 45 or 225. What about 135 are you thinking? Two categories I solved. One is 45 degree or 225. Other one is 135 degree. In 45 degree, tan is positive. 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan B equals 2. Likewise, the identity has only positive sign. Whereas, in place of tan, we are replacing cot. That takes fully what sign? Minus, negative sign. That's all. Yes, in 40. Now, 135, tan is what? Negative. 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan B equals 2. Okay. Now, what do you think about cot? 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B equals 2. That is all. This is how we can summarize and relate things with each other. But you should not get yourself confused with this. If you are good at memorizing, memorize it, or else just relate things with this. Clear? And this is how that proof works. Everything we can prove in the same manner. Like cot A plus B also we can prove. Here, instead of taking tan on both sides, we may take cot on both sides. We apply cot formula, take common things, and we add or subtract the required terms, and we will get the answer. That's all. These are all the formulas. What are all the formulas here? See, whatever written here. These are all formulas. Okay. And these are all the shortcuts summarizing. If you want to do it right, or else just erase it. Shall I erase this part, or you want this? Okay, you just summarize in your own way. Now write everything, we'll move on to the next one.